Today, we're testing how powerful ChatGPT image generation really is. And honestly, some of these AI-generated images look absolutely insane. So let's start creating. First, let's try creating a birthday invitation card. Create a dreamy pastel unicorn-themed birthday invitation card with magical clouds, rainbow, glitter stars, elegant typography, soft pink and lavender colors, Pinterest aesthetic. The cool thing is that AI can generate designs within seconds. And the more detailed your prompt is, the better the result becomes. Oh my God. This actually looks professionally designed. The colors and details are honestly beautiful. Now let's try something more premium. Design a royal Indian wedding invitation with gold floral borders, luxurious red and cream colors, candle lighting, elegant typography. You can even describe lighting, colors, and themes to make the image look more cinematic. Wow, this genuinely looks like a luxury wedding invitation. The detailing is actually crazy. All right, now let's create something futuristic. Create a futuristic AI-themed poster with glowing robotic face, holographic UI, neon cyberpunk city background, cinematic lighting. And what's even crazier is that you can upload your own images too. So AI can create even more personalized results. This literally looks like a movie poster from the future. The lighting and effects are insane. Now let's make an AI wallpaper. Create a futuristic AI wallpaper with glowing neural networks, blue and purple neon lighting, cinematic atmosphere. A few years ago, creating something like this needed serious editing skills. Now AI can generate it in seconds. This is honestly wallpaper level quality. I would actually use this on my laptop. Now let's test advertisement design. Create a cinematic burger advertisement with melting cheese, dramatic lighting, flying ingredients, ultra-realistic food photography. This is why prompting matters so much. Even small details in the prompt can completely change the final result. That looks insanely realistic. It honestly looks like a professional advertisement. And finally, let's see if AI can create a viral YouTube thumbnail. Create a viral YouTube thumbnail showing futuristic AI generating stunning images from text prompts. Include glowing robotic face, holographic screens, neon blue and purple lighting, cinematic atmosphere, shocked human expression, bold viral thumbnail composition. For creators, this can save a huge amount of time while brainstorming thumbnail ideas. No way. This actually looks like a thumbnail from a huge tech YouTuber. That is seriously impressive. So yeah, ChatGPT image generation is honestly really powerful, but it still has a few limitations. For example, you can only generate a limited number of images at a time depending on your plan. And sometimes, getting the perfect image takes multiple attempts. But even with those limits, this technology is still amazing.